So today we are going to be cleaning the pool with a really awesome cordless vacuum by Kokido. This thing is designed to handle all the leaves and bigger trash that you find in your pool, while also being the cleaning game changer for all above ground and in-ground pools. So we're going to get this vacuum out of the box, let you guys know what we think in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure to follow and subscribe where you are seeing this content at. Today's episode of Good Tech Cheap is brought to you by Kokido. We have the XTROVAC 410 to be checking out, getting it out of the box and letting you guys know what we think. Of course, all of our links and details are all located in the description for this product. So if you're in the market to upgrade your cleaning game for the pool, this is one I would recommend you to look at. So let's get it out of the box and take a closer look. So we're out here at the pool and we have the Kokido pool vacuum. Let's get it out of the box. Ooh, right in the top, we have the vacuum. We've got a cable, an AC adapter, we have also got some letters on a letter sheet, the paperwork, we have a net, and that is everything you get out of the box. We have the Kokido branding right here. That looks nice. Some brushes on the bottom, along with some nice wheels. There's how you turn it on. That's cool. This will go on the end of our pool stick. So that's what you get out of the box. We're gonna put it together and start cleaning the pool with it. So if you're in the market for a pool vacuum that definitely has the power for that trash, the Kokido XTROVAC 410 is definitely one to look into. It clips right on the end of your cleaning pole that is designed for cleaning up your pool, and you can get the pool cleaned up in no time. It has a built-in electric motor that spins a propeller, picking up trash and capturing it into a net, leaving your pool trash free. The XTROVAC 410 is designed especially for cleaning up a lot of leaves and having the highest rating for rechargeable pool vacuums on the market. With the large mouth and high capacity filtration, it makes it perfect for large debris, while the powerful suction and extra large filter bag makes it perfect for capturing leaves and not leaving them behind. And this is recommended for all types of pools. The XTROVAC 410 pool vacuum is perfect for in-ground pools and above ground pools. The rechargeable battery life gives you an efficient vacuum system for about 75 minutes of cleaning per charge, making it ultra strong, giving you an automatic hoseless battery operated rechargeable vacuum for your pool. Not to mention it's even super lightweight. At a 2000 milliamp battery, you get around 1.5 gallons of debris capacity before needing to empty out the net. But as you can see, after doing our pool cleanup, it has picked up all sorts of trash in the net. Really doing its job and showing you that it can pick up all that debris and give you an ultra clean pool afterwards. So if you think this is the pool vacuum for you, we have all of our links and details all located in the description. We would also like to give Kokido a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments what size pool you got to clean. Well, that that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. We'd like to thank each and every one of you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure to do so. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.